Ford. It's a Ford 2013 Ford F-150 3.5. We have the code P2112. That's what the owner says, and they erase the codes, and that means that throttle position sensor or throttle actuator control, it gets stuck. That one I just replaced one on a Mercury. See, getting bad. See, this one was another code. I don't remember the code, but it was that the same thing. So we checked yesterday already on the scanner, and I'm gonna show you. It's got a slow response. Okay, let's turn the key on. Let's go right here, previous vehicles, vehicle history, and Ford. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we're here on the engine, and let's go to another place. Like here, it's a throttle body. Let's check body control module, controls, heating, display, oil specs, parking. Where's it? Okay, it's not here. So let's go to engine. Let's go to data, and right here, let's go to misfire, throttle body, throttle control data, right there. Let's continue. Okay, we're here. Accelerator pedal, this is the one. Accelerator pedal, pedal, pedal. See, right here, electronic throttle. Okay, let me show you where's the both together. Throttle angle and throttle inlet, right here. Okay, yesterday we checked it. Throttle angle, where is it? Right there. I was looking for it. I found it right here. Accelerator pedal and absolute throttle position, or throttle body, or throttle sensor. Right here, see how it's open, or it's got the. See, right now I'm not pushing the pedal. I'm gonna pushing all the way. Right here should show 100. See, and see the pedal, the throttle position, the sensor, or the throttle body. See, it's not open all the way like this one. See, this one goes to 0 when I left the pedal off. And right here I push it slowly. This one goes faster than this one, but it doesn't go like the same. See, then I push it all the way. It goes to 100 on the accelerator pedal sensor, and on the throttle sensor it's 88. So it won't open all the way. It gets stuck. Let's check right here. Let's check right here on the let's go to troubleshooter and let's put the code tips, see, and find out the code 2112. Okay, P0, P1 right there, P2112. We got no P2112 here. Right here, I was wrong. P2112 right here. Okay, throttle actuator control, TAC, stuck closed. See, description: PCM fault indicates throttle plate it's at lower angle than commanded. Okay, that's what we're checking. That's what it show us on the scanner. The possible causes: it's damaged PCM, which I don't think so. Usually the PCM doesn't go bad, as like that's too easy. Damaged PCM, TAC motor circuit open, that could be. TAC motor circuits are crossed wire. Binding throttle body or stuck closed. TAC motor harness circuits are short together. That could be the problem. Okay, but right now it doesn't show any code right here on the truck because they erased the codes. Okay, let's go find if the code it's in there. Okay, right here, codes menu, memory codes, right there. See, there's no codes. They erase everything. Pending codes, no codes. So we know we have a bad throttle body. So let's check the wiring over there. All right, let's see. Let's remove the duct. Okay, let's remove this one right here. Right. All right. Let's remove this other one. need to check the connector. See, it's okay. Wires there are not broken. Let's remove the throttle body. I want to remove the ducts. Alright, let's remove it. See, this guy took it off and cleaned it, but the motor is the one that goes bad. Okay, we got the new one here. See, let's do the installation. Okay, let's tighten this other one on the other corner.
Saturday, turn to the technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Liquid High.
Okay, not too tight because the nuts, they're encrusted in the plastic. See? Okay. Now let's put the other part here. Right here. Okay. All right. Sounds good. Nice and tight. Now let's connect the connector. Right. Let's connect the battery. Okay, now let's go in there. Right now, let's erase the codes. Well, it was showing no codes, but anyways, I'm gonna push the button to erase, and I'm gonna erase the keep alive memory too. Sometimes that if you don't erase that keep alive memory, it's gonna keep coming back. the coat. So right now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna turn the key on and off a few times just to let the sensor set. See, turn it on and turn it off. See, turn it on and turn it off. Turn the key on and turn it off. Now I'm gonna push the gas pedal slowly all the way. Turn the key on. I'm gonna push it slowly. All the way down, right there. Slowly out, right there. Turn the key off, turn the key on, push it slowly again, all the way down, and let it go out, all the way down, all the way out. Okay. That's it. Let me erase everything here. Let's go to vehicle history. That's RAM, no, that's not Ford. Continue. Continue. Codes on the engine, and I'm gonna clear all the codes right here. Let me see, all the codes, clear all codes that the scan reads. Okay, clear all of them. Okay, turn the key off for a while, and now turn it on. Now let's go to engine, to data. Let's go to throttle control data, right there. Continue, and right there we got the accelerator right there. It's responding. Yep. Right there. Okay, let's go road test it.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.